How to use improved voice isolation for calls in iOS 18.3. Firstly, open Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down and select the General option. Inside General, click on Software Update. Now make sure that you have updated to iOS 18.3. After making sure, go back to your previous page. Now go to your home page. From your home page, navigate to the phone app. Now just to show you guys, I'm gonna make a random call. While you are in your call, roll down your notification bar. At the very top of your notification, you will see the option Phone. Tap on it and here you will see the option Voice Isolation. Make sure that this option is turned on or selected. If it's not selected, you can simply tap on it to select that option. So this feature is used to filter out ambient noise during phone calls, ensuring that the person's voice remains clear and focused. That's all for today. Thank you.